Hey everybody, I'm Ruby Red and I'm going to be making putty. Today if I get 20 comments, I'm going to be sending away my putty to the person that I choose has the best comment. So what you're going to need is borax, water, a spoon, food coloring. You can use any food coloring. I'm using yellow. Glue, any types of glue, only in a bottle. A bag for holding your putty, or you can use a jar, a bowl, and that's it. Okay, so what you do first is you grab a spoon of borax, just not too much. You just want to make, and then pour it into the water. You just want to make your water foggy for when you put in the borax. So when you put in the borax to make it kind of fun. So when you make it putty-like. And if you can't get it all out, you can put in some water. Okay, I think that will do. Alright, let's scrape the spoon off. It had some borax on it. Okay, so now what you have to do is put some drops of yellow in. You can use how many drops. If you can use any kind, how much you want. Okay, that's not light enough. I thought yellow would work, but it's not working so well. If this doesn't work, I'm switching colors. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna switch colors. This one doesn't work. Oh man, the spoon. It's like a super minty green. Should I keep it like this or should I make it darker? I'll just add 2 more. Okay, let's get back going. Okay, that will do for now. And then I'm gonna use my finger because the spoon's all dirty. And then you pour in the borax. Make sure it's not too much, okay? Because then it won't get that stretchy. And then it kind of instantly turns it in. See that? Like all on the walls. You can use your hands if you want to. It feels so weird, though. And if it gets stuck in your hands, you need a little bit more. You need a bit more borax. We don't want it all painty. This into the borax solution. So sticky. Putting the spoon right there for now. And a little bit more borax. So sticky. Okay, so once you did it, it would not be that sticky. And you can play with it and stretch it. Okay, so mine isn't that kind of stretchy anymore, but it's all over my fingers. It's really sticky. It could be stretchy. You can even mold it into cool stuff. And it can stretch really far. Clean the rest of the ink off my hands. Confident. And that is how you make putty. Okay, so thanks so much. You can put it in your baggie. You can put it in a bag and sign your name on it, or you can put it in a neat decorative jar and you can decorate it. So until next time, tomorrow if I get 20 comments, I'm gonna vote who's gonna be the best, and I'm gonna send my putty out to them. Until next time, Ruby Red. Please comment, like, and subscribe.